Hello, everyone. Today, we'll dive into Bluesky, the new social media app gaining popularity for its decentralized approach. Whether you're just getting started or curious about its unique features, I've got you covered. Bluesky looks and feels similar to Twitter, but with some cool twists. Start by downloading the app from your Play Store or App Store. After installing it, create your account or log in. Main features. Posting. Tap the post icon to create a post. You can write up to 300 characters, attach links, upload pictures, videos, or even GIFs. Adjust post settings to control who can interact. Choose between everyone, mentions, or followers only. Messages. Access your direct messages through the chat tab. Notifications. Keep track of likes, comments, and other interactions under the bell icon. Customization. One standout feature is customizable feeds. You can organize and prioritize the topics and accounts you follow. Go to the hamburger menu in the top left and select Feeds. Add or discover new feeds, like science or trending topics, then rearrange them as you like. Simply tap Edit, move them up or down, and save your preferences. Unique features. Unlike traditional platforms, Bluesky is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by a single company. This gives users more freedom, reduced censorship, and the ability to interact across platforms. You can even link your own domain to your Bluesky account for a more professional feel. Future possibilities. Currently, Bluesky is free with no premium features, but there might be plans to introduce subscriptions, tipping options for creators, and more. If you're ready to try a more customizable and user-focused social platform, give Bluesky a shot. Don't forget to like this video and leave your questions in the comments. See you next time.